Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be changing the tailgate light bulb on this Toyota Corolla Verso. This Verso is 2005 model, so just gonna crack on with it. Okay, so we've got the cover here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna unclip this cover from here. There we go, just like that, and then just gonna pull it out this way. Okay, and then the next bit we need to do is we need to undo this connector here, the tail light harness connector. There we go, that's out of the way. In order to change the light bulb, we'll have to remove the whole circuit here. So there are two clips, this one here and this one. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna lift it up a bit like that and pull the circuit from here, and then same here like that. Okay, so what we do is, there we go, that's how it pops out like that. So you just wiggle it a bit, just like this, and pull it out. That's the whole circuit I pulled out. Okay, the cluster. And the light bulbs we're going to be changing is these four light bulbs here. They are 12 volt, and the power is 4 watt. Okay, you can tell by the color that this bulb is blown, and also the others are blown as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace them with the new bulbs. I've got the whole box here. These bulbs we managed to get them from our local shop for 50p each. So what you do is you just push it down and twist anti-clockwise. That's 1, 2, 3, and the fourth one. There we go. So push it down and turn it anti-clockwise, and it just pulls out. So this middle bulb is the indicator bulb, okay, which is fine, so we're not going to change this. Okay friends, so now we're going to fit the new bulbs. So I'm going to slide it in. Just like that. Right, so you push it in and turn it clockwise. There we go. And the last one here. There we go. Okay, that's all nicely done. Just gonna make sure that they are nicely home. Yeah. So now we're gonna put this circuit board back into the lens. Okay. Right, there we go friends. Before I put it back, I'm just testing it. All 4 bulbs are working nicely. Right, so just gonna put it back. So the way it goes in is like this. Like this. So just gonna push it in. There we go. That's fully home. So that clip is secured, and this one is secured too. So now we're gonna connect the harness in, the connector. There we go. And there we go friends. That's the light working fine now. So the last bit is to fit the cover back in place. Okay, just like that. Bottom first and then the top. Just gonna push it in. There we go friends. Thank you very much for watching the video.